In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam slow disk usage. If your Steam download speed looks fine, but the disk usage is extremely slow, or your game seems stuck while installing or updating, this quick process can often help. We'll be working entirely inside Steam, and the goal is to clear out temporary download problems and repair the library folder where your games are installed. First, open Steam and go to Settings. From there, select Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles game downloads, updates, and cache data. If Steam has stored corrupted or outdated download information, that can sometimes interfere with proper disk activity and slow everything down. Once you're in the download section, click Clear Download Cache. This will remove temporary download data and force Steam to refresh that part of the system. Don't worry, this won't delete your installed games, but it will sign you out of Steam, so that part is normal. After the cache has been cleared, sign into Steam again and retry the download. At this point, check whether the disk usage improves. In many cases, simply clearing the download cache is enough to resolve the issue, especially if the problem started suddenly during an update or installation. If the problem is still there, the next thing to do is repair the Steam library. This is useful because slow disk usage can sometimes happen when the game library folder has errors, permissions issues, or minor file system problems that prevent Steam from writing data efficiently. To do that, go back into Steam and open Settings again, then choose Storage. This section shows the drive or folder where your Steam games are installed. Find your library folder, then click the three-dot menu next to it. This opens a small list of management options for that library location. From that menu, select Repair Library. Steam will then scan the library folder and attempt to fix any issues it finds. This may take a little time depending on the size of your library and the speed of your drive, so let the process finish completely before testing the download again. Once the repair is done, go back and try your download or update one more time. These are some of the most effective built-in ways to fix slow disk usage in Steam without changing advanced system settings or reinstalling your games. If one method doesn't work right away, the combination of clearing the download cache and repairing the library often does the trick. Follow the steps carefully, give Steam a moment to refresh, and you should have a much better chance of getting your downloads back to normal.